Max is gonna be showing you his tricks. Max is my dog, see, he's right here. I have a treat for him, so yeah. So he's gonna be showing you his tricks. Hey, come here, Max. Hey. Come here. Get over here. Okay, roll over. Good boy. Come here. Get over here, Max. Okay. Max, play dead. Play dead. Play dead. Good boy. Up. Okay. Max, what do the boys do? What do the boys do when they're on treat? Come over here. What do the boys do? What do the boys do? What do the boys do? Good boy.
If that doesn't work to lure the people in, then I'll be forced to be the living doll that
Shake. Shake.
Now let's clean house.
It's $25, honey, in the shop.
Max.
How about $20?
Stay.
I'm feeling 18.
Stay.
The yard sale heats up
Get it.
into a big
Get it.
crowd.
Good boy. Usually he'll catch it.
But everyone is looking
One more. This one he's still kind of learning. Okay, take a bounce. Good boy. That one's good. Hey, you be gentle. And Max is.
You want to pay $25 for this?